Good morning, everyone. It's currently 05:08 in the morning. Yes, it's finally Thursday, so that's very nice. Which means it's ballet day, so let's see what nicer. One moment. I need to put on some gel cream, moisturizing gel cream. I think it's soon empty, but I don't really know. And I know that Bioma has this special technique. It's like an air pump. And basically, it's actually kind of smart because it pumps out every last drop of product, which is very nice. And so instead of having the pump and then the long plastic straw, there is basically no straw. It's just like this big and it's in here. And with the air, it just like compresses up. So there's like a wall or something at the bottom and just go ups and ups and ups. But if I look like through the light, I don't have that much product left. The thing is, I don't understand why. I think there's still too much packaging, even if there's this technique inside, which is very smart, but the packaging is still, does it have to be this much plastic, That's my question. Also, right before I came here, I was looking at Instagram, and there is this animal activist. I don't know her real name, but like her Instagram name is Zoe Rooster. And what she did was she rescued, I don't remember how many, but she rescued like not that many roosters and chicken from a slaughterhouse. And they're roosters and chickens, I think it's only like 2 or 4 or something, they're having a really nice life now, and yeah, they're doing good, right? And it's been years since Zoe did that, but how life is now, it is seen as illegal to rescue animals, and like I can't understand like how it would be illegal to to rescue an animal from a slaughterhouse, or like a place like that. Maybe not a slaughterhouse, but like a place where they make chicken grows. I don't know, English is not my first language. I'm sorry, it's too early in the morning. But yeah, she rescued those animals, and oh, I'm gonna wear that today. And she got caught, as sometimes you do, and so she has been in and out of the courthouse lately, and because of this, it has been like a long trial, and on top of it all, she has been sick. I think she has some chronic illness, and if not that, she has like something that is not like, just not like a little fever one day and then it's over. I think I don't really know. Go read about it. It's better than me like trying to tell you. And so she has been in and out of the courthouse, and today she got the sentence of what she's going to have to rescue like 3 chickens. 3 chickens. You know what she... I need to relax a little. Do you know how much she got for that? She got 5 years in prison. 5 years in prison for being an animal activist. Isn't that furious? I am 5 years. 5 years. Like, isn't the world a little backwards, you know? People try to, oh no, I am a little bit disgusted, okay? Wait, I can maybe read it to you. I have it here. Instead of telling it bad. I'm sorry. Wait, I need to find it. Zoe Rooster. Her real name is Zoe Rosenberg. Yeah, here we have it. No. Yeah. Yeah, so, here it is. Okay, one moment. I'm sorry. This is... animal rescuer Zoe Rosenberg was just found guilty of felony, conspiracy, and 3 misdemeanors for her rescue of 4 chickens from Purdue's Petaluma Poultry Slaughterhouse. Okay, so it was a slaughterhouse. These charges carry a potential sentence of nearly 5 years in jail. Meanwhile, Petaluma Poultry faces no consequences for leaving sick animals to die or scalding animals alive. That's horrible. Zoe was represented by Chris Carraway, staff attorney at the Animal Activist Legal Defense Project, and attorney Kevin Little. She will appeal her conviction, including several of the court's rulings, such as its refusal to allow her to present a necessity defense and severe restrictions on what animal cruelty evidence the jury was allowed to see. This is sick. This is backwards. This is... What? So, she faces... Ow! Oh no, my nail is broken. Yeah, she faces 5 years, nearly 5 years, for rescuing chickens. 4 chickens! I don't even know how long chickens live, but isn't like... No, I think chickens might live more than 4 years. But still... And the poultry place? Nothing? Oh, no, that's terrible. I know I haven't been like talking a lot about veganism or animal rescue or anything like that on my channel for a long time, but I'm still vegan. I've been vegan for nearly 10 years. In a few months, 4 months or something, I've been vegan for 10 years. Isn't that wild? Huh? But yeah, that's crazy. If anyone wants like a deep dive video on Zoe Rosenberg's story, I will absolutely make a video for that. Like, there is... I'm asking for justice. Like, hello? 5 years for just a few chickens. That's crazy. Still have hair everywhere. My cat was here, so... 5 years? No, that's crazy. I feel like... There's hair everywhere. My cat. Okay. I need to relax. I am just beyond words. Like, how can you... But I feel like animal activists around the world are just getting treated like trash. The same I live in Denmark, right? I don't know. I hear a lot of people being so incredibly angry at animal activists all the time. I live on the countryside, right? In the middle of nowhere. And so people... Sometimes I hear things and I'm just like... Okay, well, what they did was right, you know. Whew. Okay. But do you know what also is talking about animal activism? Do you know? Because it's the theme of all of this. I'm waiting. You're not talking. Well, Wicked is about animal activism in a way. The movie. Because it's about animals losing their right to talk, right? Or not like losing their right to talk, but being silenced, basically. Yeah. Oh, I love this. This little blush, this thing here, I love it. I've said it before, I think it's for darker skin than what I have, but this is just marvelous. I love it. Makes me look like an old painting from years ago, where the woman would be very pale and then red here. You're like, oh, I've been out on the field the entire day, or oh, I've been inside embroidering the entire day. Okay, it went okay. Yeah, no, I am at I don't need an alarm. Yeah, I don't know, I feel like I can't do anything from where I am for Zoe, because I'm on another continent and everything, but I can spread awareness. This is also, okay, I guess I'll have to use this again. I need to wash my brushes again. What am I gonna go with today? I think I'm going to go with this. Huge favorite. Yeah, I think we have some animal activists in jail in Denmark, actually. When I think about it, I remember that there was someone who went to a slaughterhouse somewhere, and they got arrested for just being like outside or something crazy like that. It's just like, I'm sorry to say this, but hunting, I don't understand the joy in hunting at all. You know, I do see, like, truly, I don't understand what is so, like, fun and thrillifying about hunting. Because I do see all of these, like, reels and stuff of, like, young girls, like 9-year-olds or something, hunting, being outside and, like, trembling, being like, oh, I just, no, my first deer or something. And I just find it horrifying that someone this young could be rejoicing over deleting someone else's life, you know. Hi, welcome back. Oh my god. Yeah, I just don't I don't think it's, what is it called? Like, I don't think it's crazy to, I don't think it's crazy to think what I'm thinking right now. I don't think this is extreme. I don't think this should be an extreme thought at all, in my opinion, of course. And yeah, I just don't understand how this could be like an extreme thought at all. Like, being for the animals, how is that a crazy thing? You know, being for life, you know, I want them to be alive. How is that a crazy thing? I don't think that should be crazy. Like, am I, not me, but is it too much to ask to not do those things? I don't know. Where's my, here it is. I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. I am going to ballet today, so this will all be very like ready for ballet later. My makeup does disappear kind of like during the day, so you might think, oh, you have a lot of eyeliner during the morning. True, but it kind of leaves during the day, so I don't know if it's the environment or the air or what is going on. I don't know, but it disappears, so I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go and wear some mascara. I'm going to do 2 jobs as well today. There's a lot of drama in one of my jobs. I'm not gonna say it here because I don't think I should. So, but yeah, there's a lot of drama and things happening. It's really not fun. And it's actually kind of unbearable how things are being handled at that job. Luckily, I do still have my second job, which is my favorite job, of course. I know it sounds like I'm like trying to rally. I don't know how to say that word. Rally for my second job, but I'm like being honest. I love my second job, like so much. And I don't know if this is normal or anything, but I do. So in a way, I've hit the jackpot with that, but not the other one. No. Absolutely not. So I'm just doing like a little simple makeup, so I can feel very like, ooh, pretty. Because when I feel pretty, I do pretty, right? Yeah. I think I'll just have like a ponytail or something today. Yeah, I will be washing my hair before ballet because that's my little ritual that I do every time. So yeah, I'm gonna go now and drink a coffee. What time is it? 5:28. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. If you're interested in Zoe Rosenberg's story, please let me know and I will make like a big video on it if anyone is interested. I am very interested in it, but that's me. I cannot guess what you're interested in. But before that, I think I'm gonna wear my Ariana Grande earrings. my nails have gotten so long. It's starting to become an inconvenience in doing things. So I think I might be chopping them off like tomorrow or something, because I want to have long nails for ballet today. I want to be like on the bar. Oh, yo, yo, nine. And also, I'm also almost losing the earring parts, which is not good. What am I supposed to be doing? Sending an email to Swarovski. Hi, Swarovski. I lost the earring backing. What can you do? I can't put it in. Hello? There. Okay, good. Some. Okay. I also have the necklace, but right now I'm wearing this necklace, which is from Tiffany's. So, sorry. I'm mixing a little bit here. Okay, I'm gonna go. Have a wonderful day. I love you all so much. Mwah! Bye!